Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to design a dynamic WordPress website using Elementor for single properties. So this tutorial will be very useful for real estate companies or personal selling, a right fit for the selling villa, land, apartment, house and row houses. So if you are trying to create your website by yourself without any coding skill or any technical skill, then you can continue these tutorials. Also, if you are user of Elementor or if you are learning website designing or WordPress, then you also can continue these tutorials because this is very easy tutorials. You don't need any technical skill, any coding skill to do this. So I hope you enjoy these tutorials and continue the full tutorials with me. So first of all, I'm going to run my computer server. That's why I'm going to open exam and making my computer as a server. Then I start making a landing page for real estate business or selling single apartment like this one. In this tutorials we are going to follow this landing page and we try to make a landing page like this one. So this is very professional landing page, I think, and this is the preview of premium products. So we'll learn how we can make a website or landing page like this type premium design or products. So that is not any hard job, we can do this very easily. So I'm going to log in my localhost. Okay, so I'm login using my username and password. Click on the login button. Let me show you the current picture of this page or URL. So this is very fast installation of WordPress. So now we design our single property selling landing page at here. So first of all, I'm going to create a new page. Just click on the add a new page under pages from dashboard. So I click on the add new, and now I write a name of this page. So I'm going to write the page name property and going to click on the publish. Okay, so we have published our page. Let me check this page right now. This is fully blank, and here we will start building a landing page or product selling single landing page like this one. So I'm going to click on the edit with Elementor of this page. So you just be patient and continue this tutorials following me. This is very easy, you don't need any technical skills. So, okay, so after click on the edit with Elementor, we come in this interface, and here first I have to draw a setting. So I'm going to click on the setting and the bottom of the left corner, click on the setting. Then here I have to select page layout, Elementor fluid. Okay, then again going to setting and click on the hide title. I want to hide the page title, so going to click on the here hide title, yes, then click on the update. Okay, so we have finished the first step. Now we are ready to start design. So first we need a full width section like this one, a full width background of image. So I'm going to click on the add a new section button, then click on the here, add 2 column under a row, or I have selected my structure. So here first I need to add a background image, so I'm going to click on the edit section, then here I add, click on the style, then I add background. So in the background I like to add background as a slideshow, so that's why there is 4 options: background type, classic, color, gradients, video, and slideshow. So I like to add slideshow, so I am going to click on the slideshow button, and here I have to add the slide images. So where I get this slide images, as this is the tutorial purpose, I'm going to copy slide images from here, or I can also download slide images from Unflash, that is fully copyright free. So to be honest, I can download images from here, so I just type here property, then I get a lot of property related images. So here the most of the images like indoor, so something like this one. Okay, so going to download this one. Slider 1, slider 1, then let me find out others images. We can add this one, save as image, type slider name 2, and finally we can add another image like this one, but that will be good if we use indoor image. Property indoor, that's mean we want some image from the indoor. We can add this image, slider 3. Okay, so now we have 3 slider images, so we can add this background slider image right here. So I'm going to open my images, then add right here. So I'm going to click on this icon right here, then just drag and drop my all images in the create gallery section. So it's super easy, you still not touch any code. You have to remember that. I first time said that you don't need any coding skills, so I hope you are getting this. Okay, so we have selected the slider image. Now we have to make this section full width. If we follow this landing page, then we see that there is full width section. So I'm going to click on the here. And how can we make full width section? Just click on here, right here. Again, let me find navigation, edit section. Then I'm going to click on the layout and height, just select fit to skin. Awesome. Then we need add background overlay. So in the background overlay I like to add classic color. Okay, so now it looks perfect, and it looks very perfect right now. So going to click on the update. Then we need add two section. Already we have two section. In the one section is a contract from or apartment from, and another section is title and some content. Okay, so first I'm going to add this title. Click on this plus icon, then search heading, drag and drop here, add my title, then going to copy this one and single title, add a single title, and finally the paragraph. So going to add paragraph as text information. Okay, and in the last we need to add a button. So going to click on here, then add a button right here. So button text is make a schedule. So now time to start designing or making like this one. So let me find out the font. That is very important, which font they are using. They use Ausland and font size 16, line height 66. Okay, so I'm going to click on the edit and style, then title, typography, font family Ausland, color width. Again click on the typography, font size 60, line height. Okay, and then let me find inspect element, the second title, same, everything is same, just font size 22 and line height 35. So going to click on the focus title or subtitle, color width, typography Ausland, font size 22, line height 25, then letter spacing normal. Okay, and finally we need to work on the paragraph, and here font size 25 and 26.4 is line height. So I'm going to click on the title description, color, now going to click on the typography, font family Ausland, and font size 25. Let me check again, 24, and line height 26. Okay, and we have to design the button. So button color, let me find this button color, by inspect element. Click here. This is the button color code. So now going to click on the edit button, then button size looks medium type. Going to click on the style, then button background color and text color black. Okay, and there is no border radius, so I'm going to make border radius 0 and add some custom padding. Okay, now looks perfect. So going to click on the update. Okay, so now we need to add a from right here. So I'm going to add a from. So going to click on here and click on the plus icon, then search from. So we have to install a from plugin first. For example, contact from 7, calendar from, WP from. So let me do this. First of all, I'm going to install a new plugin. So going to dashboard, then click on the add new under plugins. Then search CONTS city contracts from 7. Here the contract from 7. So going to click on the active because I have already installed this plugin. So I just need click on the active. So after active this from, we can see a ready contract from right here, and we see a contract button in the dashboard. So here is ready contract from 1 by default, that is created right now. They are showing here, and we need add a new contract from. So in the new contract from, we need a name, email, message and date, then make a appointment. Okay, so I'm going to create a new contract from. So going to click on the add new, then my from name appointment, and I no need any label, so I need proper just placeholder. So I'm going to add a new name, I no need this one, name, then we need email. In the email we add this placeholder, email, insert, Then we need message, so going to click add new message. Text area, message, and finally we need another field, that is date. So going to add, click on the date, and after that we need add a button, make appointment. So going to add a button, click on the submit, label, add a button, insert. So we have created our form. Now going to click on the save. Okay, we are done. We have created our form. So now if we refresh this interface or page builder, then we can see the from under the contact from 7 list. Now going to click on the plus icon, then search from, drag and drop contact from 7 and select appointment, and here is our from. Looks so good, and we need a background first of all of this section. So I'm going to do one by one. Click on the edit from style, background, okay, and then we need click on the style, advanced padding, and then we need to work on the field. So click on the input, first click on the label, margin 0, then input, padding 0, okay, height 50 with 100%, margin bottom 0, and text area height okay, then we need to work on the appointment button. So I'm going to copy this color for this appointment button, copy, appointment button, button background type color, and button typography, then find the button color, button, border, padding, margin, color, black. Okay, then we need to add padding, and make this center. So looks perfect, and we need to make this content in the center. So going to click on the edit section, then vertical alignment middle, and now I think everything is good. And we should do another things. We make this row layout width 40 pixel and make this one 60. Then I think everything is look 100% perfect. Just we need to add a logo and button right here. So I am going to add a logo right here. I'm going to download this logo. I just do this as a tutorial purpose, not going to use it in my any project. Okay, so I have downloaded this logo. Now going to edit header section, click on the edit with Elementor of this header, then add header image right here, image, delete this text, download, then let me find out this logo. Here the logo. Okay, so logo added, logo position left, then going to click on the update. Now if I check my website, then we can see that is fully different interface and very similar like this one, and we need to change this color of my website. So I'm going to do this right now. Edit header section, navigation, then item color, width, and typography, text turns from uppercase, then click on the update, and now look at my design. So it is fully perfect, I think. And now we have to go to the next section. So the next section is this one. So how we can make this one? This is not any hard job. We can this one very easily. So I'm going to do this one right now. Okay, so let's start to design this section right now. So I'm going to my phrase editor and going to add a new section, and first we need a title, subtitle, and icon. So I'm going to add a new single structure and add padding right here. So going to click on the edit section, then click on the advanced, then we will add padding top and bottom, and now we need to add title, and add separator, and we will add custom separator, add an image as separator. So I am going to download this image. Let me inspect element this. Download this image, save as, and add this image right here. Drag and drop, very simple. Insert, and now make everything in center, then work on the typography. So our property typography, Ausland, and let me find the perfect typography information. Font size 30 and line height 33. Line height 33, and we can also add this text at the top. So I am going to add this text just to add the text editor. Make it center, and let me find the detail about this text typography. Font family Open Sans, color 333, font size 160 and line height 25. Open Sans, color 333, typography, Open Sans, font size, line height, okay. Now I think it looks good. And we need to work on the margin and padding. Margin 0, padding 0, same as here. Margin 0 and padding 0. And going to click on the update. We need to make it more close. Okay, so we have fixed this section, and now we need to add this section. So I am going to add a new section. Select structure, that will be 3 column, and not 3 exactly, there will be 5 column. So I'm going to delete, again add new section, that will be 5 column, and here we will add icon box. So I'm going to click on here, then find icon box. In the icon box we will select icon, we can select also image box, anyone as our needs. So I think icon box will be perfect to make this section professional. So going to add icon box, title, okay, then add icon. So I am going to add this icon. So they use it as icon, so I'm going to click on the icon, find ruler. Okay, so now we need to work on the color and font size. So simply inspect by font finder, font color 330, font family Ausland. Okay, primary color 333, content color 333, typography Ausland, font size 18, line height 1. Okay, and finally we need to inspect this section, the number, color 999, and font size 28, nine, $28. Okay, and we need to make this more close. So I'm going to click on the typography, line height. Okay, and title, content description, icon, spacing. Now I think it looks good. Just duplicate, 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 duplicate. Okay, 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 okay. So everything looks good. Then we can make it more beautiful if we add a box shadow or any shadow right here, but I'm not going to draw this because it will take more time. So I just simply keep this section like so. Okay, then click on the update, and we have perfectly make this section, and then we need to work on here, and that is not any hard job for us who is staying with me. Okay, we have done this section, looks very good. And we need to do another work. We need to change this color. Let me find this color, how that they use this color. So I'm going to add this color, customize, and changing this color from additional CSS. Wow, now looks very good and very awesome design. Okay, so now we need to work on right here for this section. So we are going to start. Okay, so let's start to design this section. So I'm going to my website page builder, then click on the add a new section. Here we will add 2 column. So I'm going to click on here, then we need add a image. So I'm going to download this image. So open inspect element, then find this image URL, open in the new tab. So now I can save this image. Okay, so here we will add an image right here, add image, and click on the here upload my image. Insert media, and here we will add inner section. So in the inner section we need 4 column. So I'm going to add inner section. Okay, and also I'm going to add this. I'm going to duplicate and add this right. Delete. duplicate this one and add this right here. Okay, and in the inner section we have to add text and image, and also we need to add content. So I'm going to add content right here. Content. Then we'll add this section. So I'm going to add icon box again, but our image box, but we actually don't use any image, text, and this content looks good. Duplicate and duplicate again. So the markup is okay. So now we need to make it looks like this one. So I am going to click on the update button, then click on the edit section, content with full width, column gap no gap. Okay, and now I need to add padding, top and button, and then make the image size full. Okay, I can do another work. I can directly add a background image right here. Background image, then remove this image, and it's more professional, and we simply add padding right here. And if you check very deeply, there have a inline image right here, so that is the problem. So let me download this image also. So I'm going to click on the edit section, background image, this one, and overlay, color, and opacity color will be white, and opacity okay. And now I am going to remove the padding. Add padding, okay, add padding at the top also. Add margin. At the top. Then we need to change color and other things, and we also need to add a so I'm going to click on here, typography, title color 3 to 3, typography, Ausland, delete this one, delete this one, delete this one, duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Duplicate. Okay, then add button, contact agent, contact agent, text color black, background color will be this one. Okay, we also can make this size medium, and you can also make different size on hover. On hover, color will be this one, and background will be black. Okay, looks good. Now we need to add some padding. Pixel, delete this one again because I duplicate. So now it looks very good and very professional. So going to click on the update, and now let me check my website. Wow, everything looks very perfect, but we need to make text position left. So I'm going to do this. Content, position left, again content. Okay, and also making this menu in the left position. Click on the update. Okay, now it's exactly looking very good. We can add a padding only this section. Okay, so in the next part we have to draw this room gallery, contact information and footer section. So I want to draw this part in the another tutorials, so I hope you will continue this tutorials. If you watch this full tutorials, then you have to comment in the below for next tutorials, then I will get inspired to design a next part and to share the designing next part, because if you don't think this tutorial not helpful, then I no need to waste your time, even also my times, by making such type tutorials. So if this tutorials beneficial or helpful for you, then please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button, and you have to just make a comment so that I can know you are getting helpful, you are getting benefit from this tutorial. So thank you for your time to continue this tutorials. Hope you will see in the next tutorials. Have a nice day.